Every type of session, whether it's slides and voting, or just a Q&A session, includes a chat feature. As a participant, I can click on the chat option in my menu at the bottom to ask a question or send a message. By default, all participants have a guest name. I can adjust my name using the Edit Name button. If I use the Auth module and have been invited as a participant with a participant pin, my real name is already displayed in the chat. The chat is visible to all participants. I have now opened a second mobile device, simulating another participant or moderator who can answer questions directly. If I click on a chat message, I can reply to it and also delete my own messages. As a moderator, I can display the chat in the presentation by clicking on the chat symbol. Here I can respond and send messages to all participants. As a moderator or co-moderator, I can delete chat messages, or I can turn individual chat messages into Q&A entries. For example, I may find the question, "Will there be a break?" important and of interest to everyone, so I make it a Q&A entry. I can attribute the question to its sender, provide an answer, and from that point on, anyone can read it in the Q&A sections under Questions. My question appears both for me as the moderator and for the participants. Participants can now also rate the question. The tutorial for moderators provides a more detailed explanation of the co-moderator's role, where the chat function is managed and the questions are answered by the co-moderator in the background rather than by me as a presenter.